In the last training for VILS, we talked about the difference between the two websites and how do you get logged in. Today, we're going to start the pathway training, which is what's going to give you the background information that you need to be able to do your micro-credential. So we're going to go ahead and log into VILS Academy. And once you get there, there's two ways to get to the trainings. On the left-hand side, there's our content library. You can click on this book to get there, or you can scroll down and look for this teacher training pathways icon. This gray badge will take us to all the pathways that are offered. You're going to look through here for the micro-credential that you chose last time. And for me, let's go ahead and open up this Evergreen Tools for Remote Learning. When you click on some of these, there are a couple of little overviews and maybe a video. We've already taken care of this, so you can skip that, and you're just going to go here to where you can see it says Start. The course will load in the window. You have just a little outline of what's going to be inside this course, and you're going to go ahead and click Start. Your work will save as you go through this. On the left-hand side, it will show you what percentage you have complete. There are, in this one, there's 25 little lessons that you'll go through. Sometimes it is just reading. Sometimes they'll have you stop and do a check for understanding. And as you work through these, you will notice this percentage changing. And by the time you get to the very end, it will then prompt you to start working on your micro-credential. The majority of today's PL is going to be work time. So we've already taken care of the first task, being able to log into VILS Academy. You're going to work on your pathway until you get to a good stopping point, and then complete the survey letting me know how far you got in your pathway. Just so you know, the pathways should go quicker than the micro-credential will, because the micro-credential is you doing some implementation of the things you're learning. So you do not have to get all the way through this pathway in your first sitting. Just know that this is going to be something that you do want to work through at a quicker pace to leave yourself more time to focus on that micro-credential.